Ito yung pinaka-viral natin, the Paris Model Unit. Ayan, ang lot area niyan ay 150 square meters. Ang floor area ay 187 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, and 2 car garage. And then pinaka-smallest natin is itong Sydney Model House with a lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 77 square meters, 3 bedrooms, and 2 bathroom. Provision for 2 car port. Ayan po siya. So this is a single at house. At ang ganda ng interior nito. So unahin natin dito sa Sydney. The next is the Paris. Next is the New York. And then the Tokyo Model House. Alright. Then the price, sasabihin natin yung presyo ng atin pong property. No, dito po sa Anyana, Altansa. At least you have that idea, no? Kung pasok ba sa inyo pong ceiling ng inyong budget ceiling. Depende po sa inyong need, depende po sa inyong gusto, or depende po sa inyong pangangailangan kung ang purpose ng acquiring a property ba ay for primary home or for secondary house. Okay, unahin natin si Sydney Model House. Sydney Model House natin, so we have 2 units available for this one. Ang total contract price nito ay nasa 6.4 million pesos house and lot package. This is more advantage versus buying a condominium unit because meron siyang lot, meron ka pang building, no? Tax deed ng building and then tax deed ng lot. So you have 2 documents. So, tingnan natin the model house. Welcome to our model unit. Pagpasok mo, nakakagulat siya, guys. Alright? Gugulatin niya ngayon yung aking self. Okay? So, ayan po. Okay? Nagulat siya. Nagulat po ang ating model girl. Alright. So, ito yung ating interior. At meron po ditong kitchen. Alright. Meron tayo ditong air conditioning unit. At meron tayong bathroom. Okay? So, positive vibes. Okay, guys. Ayan o, ang ganda, no? For me, very crowded, no? Dapat minimalist lang siya. So sobrang laki ng mga sofa. And then the dining. And then you have a kitchen. And you have a nice cabinet. Of course, dito sa likod, you have a 2 meters setback. Later on, pwede nyo i-develop yung inyong bahay. Once na-turn over yung bahay nyo, katulad nung ginawa dun sa kabila. Kasi meron siyang extension na. At least dito, pwede kayo magprito ng tuyo or magprito kayo ng galunggong dito. Pwede dito kayo magprito ng bangus or magprito kayo ng karning baboy, white meat, and or red meat. And then you have a bathroom dito sa ibaba. Okay, look at the bathroom here. You have a wash area and water closet and the shower. Of course, you have a nice glass. Right. Then, the living area. This is the kitchen area. So, ito yung formal kitchen. Pwede kayong maglagay ng dirty kitchen outside. Tingnan natin naman sa itaas yung bedroom. No? And enhancement, yan na yun. Pero we have actual turnover. Papakita natin later on. First bedroom, so you have single bed and then overhead cabinet. You have air conditioning unit. At least ito, model house. You have the idea kung paano yung placement ng mga cabinet. Placement. Look, oh. Nice. Wow, I like it. Ganda ng cabinet na ganyan, ha? Diba? Ang linis. Second bedroom is here. Look. So you have bed. Pambata. Okay. And then an aircon, which is here. And then a storage and a cabinet. Ang ganda ng mga cabinet. The master bedroom is here. Wow, look at the master bedroom, guys. Sobrang sleek. Sobrang linis. And you have a cabinet over here with light. Okay, you have a big awning window which is there. Plus, meron kang smart TV, TCL. And then a glass. Ayan. Ang pogi na rin. Sana mabenta na si Ray. Sana all. Then dito sa taas, you have a bathroom. Okay? This is the bathroom area. You have a wash area, water closet, and a shower. Okay, floor to ceiling bathroom tiles. Alright, look at that. Okay, so this is the Sydney Model House. Now, tingnan naman natin the Paris Model Unit. So, walang kukurap. Napaka-helpful nitong ating video. This is because this is real time. Mapapakinabangan nyo ito lalo na kung kayo ay nasa abroad at nakabili na ng property dito sa Anyana. Pwede nyo pong balik-balikan ito ating video. Ayan, the full house tour ng Anyana Antiltansa. Now, this is the Paris Model House. One of the best-selling model house natin because either sa facade and then sa laki ng room, ayan o, napaka-dominante talaga ng bahay ng Paris. Imagine, ang ganda ng facade. Look at that. Facade pa lang, panalo na, no? So it has 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, and a 2-car garage. Imagine. Okay, so the parking area. Look. Plus, you have a setback over here sa lanay. So, total contract price for the Paris Model House, meron tayong ready for occupancy nito for 16 million pesos, lot area of 216 square meters. Dalawang title po siya. This is the back view and this is the neighborhood. What I really like about Anyana because and Andel Grand Village, ang daming trees. Look at the trees. Ayan, look at the trees. Diba? Yung shading niya, no? Like after 5 years, mag-i-enjoy kayo kasi imagine, under the tree, pwede kayong mag-coffee, ayun. Nakaka-relax naman talaga kasi kapag nandun ka sa ilalim ng puno, di ba? Tapos nagbabasa ka ng Bible, nagbabasa ka ng libro. At least may iba yung ambience. Then, ito yung pinakaharapan. So you have 3 meters setback. And ito yung pinaka-facade sa taas. Look. And the main door. Yung turnover natin, this is a steel panel. Right, look at that. So upon entering, so you have the living, separate living, and the dining area. The dining is there. Yan. Ganun yung atin pong floor layout. Yung lapad, di ba? So you have glass sliding, and then the living area, plus you have a bedroom on the ground floor. Ayun yung lanai area. This is the kitchen and the dining area. So this is a full house tour. At least, nakikita nyo yung buong model house na mayroon tayo dito sa Anyana Antiltansa. Now, tingnan natin the bedroom and the bathroom on the ground floor. Alright, this is the bathroom on the ground floor. Look at that. So you have the wash area. This is the actual turnover, by the way. Floor to ceiling bathroom tiles. Look. Ayan, okay. Ang laki. Ang ganda. Then you have a bedroom over here. Look. So this one, pwedeng elderly room or entertainment room. Ayan. Nice. This is a practical house in terms of security. Meron tayong 24/7 security guard dito po sa Anyana Antiltansa and the Andel Grand Village. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. No? Right, kasi as promised, this is a full house tour. Hindi siya isa, dalawa, tatlo. But this is a full house tour sa lahat ng model house na we have dito po sa Anyana Antiltansa. But aside from this one, we have Nevada, California, doon po sa Grand Riverdale. This is the second floor. As you can see, you have a family area. master bedroom. The second bedroom. Vinyl yung ating flooring. So this area can fit a double-sized bed. High ceilings with awning and fixed window. And then over here, the third bedroom can accommodate a double-sized bed or a queen-size or king-size bed. High ceiling, yung dingding natin, concrete po yan. Ginagawa po itong bahay na ito, 320 working days. Okay, now, you have a bathroom over here. Look. This is the common bathroom dito po sa itaas. Nice. Okay. At least you have the perspective. So this is the family area with the balcony, with the view of the neighborhood. Ang ganda ng balcony here, oh. With a sliding glass door. And then, space power in. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng chairs, tables, etc. Pero the weakness is, meron talaga siyang puno. Wow, look at that. Ang nice. Okay, tingnan natin the master bedroom area. Okay, so the master bedroom. Okay, look at the master's bedroom. Ayan, very wide, no? Very spacious yung master bedroom natin. So you have a big balcony and then a glass. Marami na po ang bumili nito. So para sa hindi pa nakapag-acquire ng property dito sa Anyana, try to check out and appreciate ito pong ating raw video. Very helpful po ito. Lalo na kung nasa US, Canada, California, or nasa New Zealand and Australia kayo, or Japan, Korea. Ayan na nag-acquire kayo ng property. Alright. Then this is the bathroom dito sa master's bedroom. Look. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. So you have a water closet over here. Yeah. Okay. Dandanan natin para hindi kayo mahilo. Okay. Baka kasi nahilo kayo kakanood nating video. Now, we're done, no? Dito po sa Paris Model House. Tingnan naman natin the New York model unit. Now may 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and provision for 2-car garage. Now, samahan niyo ako at iikot tayo doon sa ating New York model house. Lalabas po tayo from here at sabayan niyo ako. Ang ganda ng ating tiles. This is a 60 by 60. It's a porcelain white tiles. And ito yung ating paligid. Look at that. So kasama yung mga stakeholders. So where are the stakeholders? Mga investors, mga stockholders. The Paris are model house. And right now, sarado lang po siya. But bibigyan tayo ng chance, no? Para mabuksan yan. Kasi yan yung ating model house. Pero we have videos ng ating actual niya, no? Now, tingnan natin the New York model house. The New York model house with a total lot area of 126 square meters and a floor area of 130.35. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, and provision for 2-car garage. Ito pong ating pinaka-trellis is optional kasi pwedeng meron, pwede pong wala. So ito ay 126, but look at that. Ang ganda, no? Very modern. I love the facade. At yun ang weakness, ang landscape. At nakakaganda talaga, no? Comment down below kung na-appreciate nyo itong ganda ng ating halaman sa harapan, no? Ayan, okay? No? Nagbibigay kasi ng value yan, no? Yung halaman na yan. As a valuer or appraiser dito sa Philippines, anything improvement na meron kayong i-add sa inyong property, lahat yun ay nagbibigay ng value. Basta tama ang placement, tama ang pagka-combine. Alright, now tingnan natin ito pong model house ni New York Model House. This is the New York Model Home. Guys, expect the unexpected because this is the best-selling model na meron tayo dito sa Anyana Andeltansa. Ito pong ating New York Model Unit. Right, so with a nice floor area, and then you have a L-shaped counter with a hanging cabinet. Ito ay bukas every day to make sure na lahat ng ating mga clients na bumili nito, meron silang magiging reflection doon sa kanilang biniling property. On the ground floor, you have a bedroom which is here. Tama-tama kay lolo, lola, uncle, aunties, pinsan. Pwede gawing study room. But right now may bed, so bedroom. This is the first bedroom on the ground floor. Then the kitchen. Look at that. Super nice kitchen area. And the dining. Okay. So, okay, wow. Modular cabinets. Perfect. The backsplash finish. The rain hood. And then the cooking space. And then you have a dining table over here. Plus, a bathroom. Dito sa side ito. Wow. Ba, perfect. What can you say? Guwapo kay ilang balay, no? No, nindot kay ilang balay. Perting nindutas sa balay. Okay lang ang sudaan ay bulad or ginamos. Basta imong balay, mauni. Pero kung kaong ka, dito ka sa gawas. Para diri sa sulod, kay aircon man, dili diri mag-amoy og ginamos o bulad. Kay magtuyok-tuyok man po diri ang air, no? Now, itong likod, sinasabi natin, you have a space here, 2 meters, intended for future improvements. Diri ka magluto og bulad. Diri. Ayan, diri, guys. Here. So, in terms of the school, napakalapit dito sa Ollars, the LaSalle Supervised School. No, malapit lang po ito, guys. Yan. Mostly po sa mga may mga anak na dito po nakatira. Ang Ollars, Nazarene, International Schools, malapit lang po. And then the stairs going up. Ang gwapo ni Ray. Sana mabenta na si Ray. Hindi pa nabibenta si Ray. Alright, eye ceiling. Alright, guys, you have nice railing and handle. This is the second level. So dito you have 3 rooms. So tingnan natin, you have nice hallway. And look, a common bathroom on the second floor. You have a wash area, water closet, and a shower with a glass. Plus you have a awning window over here with a view of the restaurant. Look at that. Kumain na kami dyan. Ang sarap dyan ng pansit. Ang sarap dyan ng liempo. Dyan o. Dito. Sa likod lang. The villa area, the commercial area. Ang dami tao dyan. Ang dami nang kumakain dyan. Dami ng halo-halo. Ang sarap. Okay. The second room. Look, right now. Russian study room. Then, this is the hallway. The third room. You have a bunk bed and a cabinet. Look at that. Ang nice ng cabinet, oh. Ito yung magandang cabinet. Kasi may handle. Kawawa naman pag nag-glass ka. Guys, no, before we leave, or before we end our full house tour dito sa Anyana Andeltansa, thank you so much to our marketing head and to our developer, the Antel. Anyway, no, 3rd years na po ako dito sa Antel group of companies. Dito ako nagsimula way back, 26 years old. Ayan, i-add yun na lang. Ilang taon na po ako, guys. Ngayon, Okay, again, no, the Sydney Model House with a total contract price of 6.2 million pesos available sa Pag-ibig and bank financing for 2 units left. And then the Paris Model House with a total lot area of 150 square meters, 187 square meters and total floor area across 2 levels, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathroom and 2-car garage. The New York Model Unit with a total lot area of 126 square meters and a floor area of 130.35, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathroom, provisions for 2-car garage. So selling in the market for 10.4 million pesos. And this is the last. Itong Tokyo Model Unit with a total lot area of 100 square meters. It's a single firewall property, 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, provisions for 2-car garage. Selling in the market for 8.2 million pesos. Again, open dito sa lahat ng financing, bank, and deferred cash term. 10% discount ang maliles for the spot cash term. Okay. Alright, so medyo mahaba yung tour natin, no? Thank you so much. So this is a full house tour. At least nakita nyo yung real time. The advantage of this is makakapamili kayo ng ating mga model unit. So lahat yan is solo houses, wala tayong mga townhouses. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Kung mayroon kayong kaibigan, kakilala, kapamilya, kapatid na naghahanap ng property dito sa Philippines as their primary or secondary or capital asset, guys, message us today. So we have lot only and commercial lots for the ordinary property. Thank you so much and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.